Welcome to qnawire.
uh, Given the constant acceleration is 50 meter per second square, distance s is 100 meters, velocity of the carrier is 30 knots, that is 30 into 1.852 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second, that will be 15.43 meter per second. Now, first we will calculate the relative velocity using the formula v square is equal to v naught square plus twice as. So v square relative is equal to v naught is 0 plus 2, a we have 50 and s is 100. So relative velocity square is 10,000 meter per second. So the relative velocity will be 100 meter per second. So the relative velocity vector is 100 cos 15 degree I vector plus sine 15 degree j, that will be 96.6 I plus 25.9 j meter per second. Now uh, let let Vf be the velocity of the fighter. So we have Vc is 15.43 I meter per second. So now relative velocity is final velocity of the fighter minus Vc, so is equal to relative velocity plus Vc. That is, we have relative velocity is 96.6 I plus 25.9 j plus Vc is 15.43 I meter per second, that is 112.03 I plus 25.9 j meter per second. So velocity of the fighter is 112.3 square plus 25.9 square, that will be 114.98 meter per second. Therefore, velocity of the fighter is 114.98 meter per second.